Hey guys, what's up? I'm Palak Lakhani. In this channel, I make educational videos focusing mainly on studying, working, and living in Germany. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. So in today's video, as you can see on my background, we have a DIG banner. So today I'm accompanied by President of DIG, which is Mr. Chopra, and Vice President of DIG, Mr. Vivek. So they will be telling you in detail about this entire association, which is called Deutsch-Indische Gesellschaft in detail, which is based in Bremen. So let's get started with today's video.
So, first of all, good day. Thank you for coming to our organization and introducing this to others. Deutsch-Indische Gesellschaft, as the name says, is a association which encourages the cooperation between Indians living in Germany and the Germans to come together and experience each other's culture and friendship. Our aim in this organization is to promote friendship between two cultures, and especially in cities in Bremen, city like Bremen, and India, the greatest or the largest democracy in the world. It is also important for the Indians living here who may feel foreigner in this country to feel more at home if they get to know the local people and the local habits. That is also one of our aims, to encourage people to meet each other and discuss with each other. To reach this level or reach this goal, we organize cultural events where people from both societies, German as well as Indian, meet together, and it is also an event where the Indians with their families feel at home in a foreign country and begin to feel that Germany is not as foreign as they thought. And if that level is reached, that pleases us. Same is with the Germans, that they don't feel threatened by a foreign national, that they feel that it is promoting both societies a positive aspect of life. They encourage and learn our Indian way of life, which in many ways is also very interesting and helpful for their way of life. That is the reason for starting this organization. Also, it was our aim that the families from India especially feel at home, and they also have a point of contact. They have a place where they can meet. They have a people they can talk to, so that the interrelationship is available and also used. By the other ways is also we work together with other associations as well, which are in Bremen, which also further the cause of India and Germany. And we also have a broad network where new Bremen citizens with Indian roots find advice, support, and consultancy in many ways. We maintain close contact to Indian students at University of Bremen, Hochschule Bremen, and Jakob University. With our members and friends from politics and business, we want to contribute and promote the business relations and contact between Bremen and India. We are active member of German Indian Roundtable Association. I will discuss this more, but I'd like to introduce our Vice President, Vivek Pandari, who is very active in this association and has relieved me of many responsibilities. I'm very thankful to him, and I would like him to say a few words. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chopra, for the introduction about DIG and also saying briefly about me and some nice words. First of all, thank you, Mr. Chopra, for actually providing us this platform where we all can work together to promote Indian culture. But not only culture, we work in different areas. Besides culture, we are also active in the business area, in education, doing social work. For example, in the last time we helped people who were negatively impacted by COVID-19. So basically, actually DIG is quite an older organization. It is based in Bremen since 1959. I'm associated with this organization since 2014.
I could now tell you a little bit more about this old society. As Vivek said, it was registered in 1959, which is nearly over 60 years old. It's a reason to be proud of.
Yeah.
It's one of the oldest such society based in Bremen, and it has a reason why it was formed in Bremen. In the years gone by, Bremen was a very important port, and they had a regular business between India and Bremen. There was a ship line which traveled between Bremen and Mumbai. It was called Hansa Line, and the Hansa Line became a very important part of business between Bremen and Germany. That means a lot of goods transported between India and Germany was done over the Bremen port, and there were a lot of companies in Bremen who were trading with India, and they then felt important to set up such an organization, and they were the main founders of this company, of this association. In the early days or early years, it was also a fairly well organized association with good background, financial background, because these shipping lines provided the financial background, and they could do different kinds of events. And unfortunately, this line stopped as soon as Bremen stopped being the port for such transport, and the Bremen port was closed because the river was too small, and they made the port at Bremerhaven. So the Hansa Line business between India and Bremen came to a standstill, and thereby a lot of people who were involved in this association also had less interest. So the association had a little bit difficult time, and after that the interest in cultural well-being of both nations became important. Then we had a very good chairman of Indian Deutsch-Indische Gesellschaft. He was the director of Übersee Museum in Bremen, and he again gave a positive impact to this society, so that it flourished again. Even that person left, and now it is up to us to make sure that we carry on this. And I feel very encouraged. In the last few years, we noticed that a lot of Indians coming here not for trading but working in Bremen. There are a lot of engineers and well-educated professionals who found a suitable job in Bremen, and they want to also contribute to the society for themselves and for their families. So there is an increasing number of members who are well-educated professionals, and also the number of students has increased rapidly, so that there is a demand, a requirement for such a society, and we intend to fulfill this requirement.
The interest in India is growing, not only in the culture but also in the business sector. So therefore, we are also working very closely with the local Bremen government, like Cultural Senate, in organizing different events. Besides this, we also get support from the Indian consulate in Hamburg as well as the Indian embassy in Berlin. And yeah, we are looking forward to do more such events and activities and projects together, which would support Indian students as well as the Germans who are interested in India. So, thank you very much.
So guys, that was the short introduction of DIG by the president and the vice president of DIG. So if you are in Bremen and if you need any kind of support, then please contact them. They are here since 1959, which is itself a huge achievement. So, and they are really friendly, so you can of course contact them anytime if you need any kind of help. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like the video, then do share it with your friends, and also leave comments in the comment section if you have any further doubts. See you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care and stay safe.